Hey y'all, this is Beryl at Cajun Cooking TV, and I'm super excited because I haven't had this in a long time. Long time. So Mike was able to get me some catfish. I got 2.5 catfish right here. I am so delighted to show you. I'm gonna fry them in Mike's cast iron skillet. So stay tuned.
And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and put on that post notification bell so you know when we upload another awesome video.
All right, we've got a few steps before we get to frying, so let's talk about that. So I have a dipping station. I'll have some egg and milk here, and then I've got a container that has a lid. And since these are kind of big, I got this big container. When I have something delicate like fish or the crab claws, I just did a video on crab claws. Be sure to look at that one. There'll be a link here. I like to be able to shake it up rather than kind of manhandle it. So I'm using that. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and crack my egg and get it in here. Oops, come back here. Get that mixed up. In a couple of restaurants we go to, they cut the catfish into what I call fingers. They're just long slivers, or you can have people sometimes cut them into small chunks like catfish bites. We actually had them last week at Mike Anderson's, and they were cut really thin and used as like a chip for spinach and artichoke dip. So that was kind of interesting. So you can do it however you like. So I've got these washed, and I had them on paper towel here on our cutting board. So I'm just gonna cut these along that seam right there. Just need a good sharp knife. Good sharp knife. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we got a catfish finger. I'm gonna put it in our egg wash, let them be soaking, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of them. All right, y'all, so I got those cut up. They're soaking in my egg wash with milk and 1 egg. So I've got about a cup of flour, all-purpose flour here. And then I have some stone ground corn flour. You could also use cornmeal, which gives it a grittier taste. This flour is gonna give it a little bit softer texture. So I'm gonna get, oops, I'm just gonna have to pour. I'm just gonna do a good amount because I got a lot of fish. Probably about 2 cups. And this we got at Rouse's along with the catfish. And it's a local guy, Papa Tom. We bought this at the farmer's market before. So I'm glad he's now in stores. That's exciting. So let's put some Tonys in there. And we'll put some salt. Oh my gosh, that Tony's gets up my nose every time. Every time. Okay, so I'm mixing this good. Cayenne pepper up my nose. Okay, that's good. And as you go, if you need to add more, just do it again. So I'm gonna put this over here. All right, we gotta get some oil heating. So we got Mike's cast iron pot. This one is the deeper one. So it's probably about 4 inches, I guess, 4 inches deep. And so I'm gonna turn it on. He's been seasoning it, so it's already kind of warm. So I'm gonna get this on. And I have some peanut oil. Great oil for frying. So I'm going to put about 2 inches in here because you have to leave room for the oil to bubble up. You can't feel it oil up to the top. No, no, no. Don't worry, I got another one. That's about it. All right. Next on the agenda is, I've got this on the medium-high heat. We're going to try and get that to a precise 375, I think, or 350.
350, 360.
Right around in that range. So 350, 360, and perfect for frying. Okay, I'm going to get started with battering some of these. I'm just going to be putting them in here, put the top on and shake it, and then set them out on another tray. I've been channeling Margaritaville this weekend. We had crab claws yesterday because we love to go to Lucy Buffett's restaurant in Orange Beach, Alabama, where they have the best crab claws and shrimp and everything else, and view, atmosphere. If you're ever down and want to go to the beach, that would be a great place to go. So I've got 3 of the fingers in here. Seal my lid, and I'm going to give these a toss, just like this, so you can get it on all sides. Okay. It's going to be a mess. There we go. Looking good. Get all down in the crevices. Yes, indeed. All right, I'm going to keep doing that. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, y'all, we are at our optimal temperature here. And if you have an electronic instant read thermometer, that was handy. We just put it in there until it got to 350. Other things are like, you know, the candy thermometer. But if you don't have either one of those, it's okay. I'm just looking at it right now, and it's just kind of shimmering, and that's what I'm looking for. And it's super hot to my hand. So I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and put in some catfish. I can't wait. Just want to delicately put, I'm going to put about 2 at a time, since I have 2.5 fish. You can see it's bubbling up, so you always need to leave room for that. And when it's ready and golden brown, it's going to start to float at the top. And I've got my tray here ready, and I'm going to put some paper towels on it, and we'll be right back.
Did you know Cajun Cooking TV has a cookbook called Cajun Cooking Made Easy? Purchase today to enjoy our full recipes, instructions, links on how-to videos, and much, much more.
Okay, y'all, got some floaters here. Look at that golden brown. You cook them on one side and then flip it, cook it on the other side till it's floating at the top. Wow, y'all, we have cooked some delicious catfish today, and I'm so excited. I haven't had this at a restaurant in a long time because every single time I get a terrible headache. It's so annoying. So I've been wanting to fry this fish. I was hoping to do it outside, but it is stinking hot outside. So maybe in the fall we'll try that again and do some cooking outside. So y'all, I want to remind you to press the subscribe button and that bell notification if you want to see more videos like these. And I think something that would go awesome with this is our twice baked potato casserole. I'll give you a link up here and also down in the description. And don't worry, we'll put the full recipe and everything we did down in the description below. And be sure to check out our next video. See ya.
It's a wrap.